Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Let me tell my brothers, I'm from the governor of Benue State. I'm sorry. I have to say this, and I got not to say it. I will say it. If anybody feels hot, let him go to court and challenge me. Nobody will lead me to a campaign. A man who is corrupt. I have challenged you. You are corrupt and you are corrupt and you cannot lead me to any campaign. I will not. River State will not. Whether they like it or not. You cannot lead us to a campaign. You is corrupt. I'm sorry to say this. I'm sorry to say to the Benue governor, if I've insulted you, forgive me. Rivers people are hot and we are hot. Are you not hot? Are you not hot? Are you not angry? Are you not angry? Are you? You cannot lead Rivers to any campaign. I want to Benue State. I went to Benue State. Are you? You have not stayed 1 year in the office. And you are fighting corruption. How do you fight corruption? I asked you, you took 1 billion naira. I told you, you took 100 million naira. I told you, you took the money that we realized for the primaries. Are you? Sue me. Are you do what? Sue Wike. And you are building a university in Benue State. For you have not gotten to 1 year. Assuming you enter office, what will you do? Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Are you shame, shame, shame? You cannot fight River State and go free. You cannot fight River State and go free. You cannot fight Nigeria and go.
Inside the Niger Delta,